Starting. Popeyes. Popeyes. Aw, Ryder. Ryder loves Jello.
Oh my god, he put the whole thing in his mouth.
Yeah. He's scared you're gonna take it away, possibly.
He is. Look at. Look at his hand. He's holding on to my hand.
Aww. Ryder. Ryder, you like the Jello? Hold on, let me zoom in on his face. Pull it out again. Wow. He laughed.
That's good.
Is that yummy, Ryder? Is that yummy? Mmm, huh?
I think it's done for.
It's all gone?
I don't know, but he's pushing forward. Like, are you done, Pop?
He just winked at me.
Did he really?
Yeah.